Talking.
1 minute. Mass this mushkil.
Yes.
Yes.
Talking. You talking. If your country is even you Pakistan language.
Afghanistan bread. Malum?
Yeah, malum.
Chapat.
Chapati. Yes.
This one Sri Lanka.
Yeah, Sri Lanka.
Hi, ma'am.
See, hi, my friend.
Hello.
You can see your piece in the YouTube.
This YouTube.
Talking. You can see in the YouTube. I put it.
Yes.
Hey, guapo. Look at her.
Uras kelas lah itu turutannya. Okay. Just.
Why you making
Yes.
this the breed?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just YouTube.
Yes. She put it inside.
Yes. One friend. Just.
Huh? Leave it that. No, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah. I'm just making video the bread.
I'm listening.
You speak in your Pakistan the big shout out my wife, my mother, your husband.
I live in Afghanistan, malum?
You are Afghanistan?
Yes. Yes. Ruti I live Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Aywa.
You kumot-kumot and eating people. People eating the kumot-kumot bread.
English.
Huh? Why you castle the bread and you castle the bread and people eating?
What are you eating? Yes.
You eating the wife? Oh, the wife. You eating the woman?
No.
Why?
This.
Thank you so much. I buy 1 dirham for you. Thank you. Tomorrow I will making
Tomorrow
coffee this one. Okay?
Okay, this is the YouTube.
Yes.
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. It's very hot the bread.
Yes.
So thank you so much for you speak your language. What is your name? What is your name?
Muhammad Yunus, Ustaz.
Muhammad Yunus, kumusta? Yeah, teacher. Kumusta? No, kumusta? Okay, bye my friend. Hi, bye. Hello, bye. Bye. Tomorrow you see your piece here, huh?